Hello everyone, my name is Amber and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Welcome to How to Draw. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to draw Princess Peach. Step 1. To start your peach drawing, you will need to make two equal-sized ovals with one on top of the other. As you can see, these two ovals sit at a slight angle. These will be Peach's head and midsection. Step 2. Below the two ovals from the first step, draw a large bell shape, which will become Peach's dress. Step 3. To draw her arms, we need to draw a small circle which will be the sleeve of her dress. She also has arm-length gloves that come up to nearly touch her sleeves. Step 4. Princess Peach has hair for days, so we are going to draw it in two separate pieces. For the first step, we are going to draw the outline of her hair. Her hair is very wavy, with a part starting in the middle. Her hair should continue down her body far below her waist. Now we need to draw Peach's hairline around her face. You can see that her hair comes to a point near the middle of her forehead. She also has a couple of large pieces of hair that hang down in front of her ears. Step 5. Draw Princess Peach's eyes with those long eyelashes. Peach has abnormally short eyebrows and a small pointed nose. Step 6. All that's left to do now is to give her a small heart-shaped mouth, her crown, and some clothing details. To complete her dress, draw a ruffle along the bottom and a couple of pieces of fabric on each side of her waist. Step 7. Add the collar of her dress and her large oval gem. Step 8. Now you're ready to outline Princess Peach and color her. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned next Saturday at 1 for a new How to Draw.